brothers for coming in our mall shows last October 6 and October 7.
Yeah, thank you.
At SM Bikutan and SM Mega Mall.
Yeah, it was a blast. Thank you.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you. Stop! It's question and answer time!
Guys.
Time!
Question number 1 from @Zaying Garcia. Weirdest thing you've done in your life? Come.
Weirdest thing? Na-inlove ako sa teacher ko. I thought it was my crush.
Yeah! Bro, sa akin, akala ko yung deodorant pang neck. Ako, weirdest thing, grabe. Pagkabas ka ng bahay, yung chinelas ko, magkaiba pala.
Yeah. Yung hand ko, in-imagine ko, yung crush ko, kinis ko. Weird!
Ako, dati, yung buhok ko, kinky.
Ako. Buhok ko dati, barber's cat!
Alright guys,
Question number 2 from Maribel Techilan. Weirdest dance move? Weirdest dance move? For me, Oppa
Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style!
Boom! Huh? Weirdest dance move?
weirdest dance move? For me, this.
Yeah! For me,
Sa akin, nung grade school ako, grabe, sumayaw ko ng
Question number 3 from Ashley Posadas.
Oh, Posadas.
Okay, the question is, bakit ang blackboard color green?
W and do it.
Kasi, hindi siya black.
Okay,
Rans. I think question
number 4. What will you do if you see a from Aryan J? Okay.
For us,
For us, we will close our eyes and pray.
Yay! For me, I will tell the ghost, ghost daw kita.
Yeah!
For me, I'll talk to her or to him. Then, tatawin ko lang kung gusto niya. Yay!
Yay!
for me,
I will run as fast as I can. Five.
5. Paano kayo pumorma sa babae?
Bro,
Hey, from Beatrice Espeno.
for me, simple lang. Kakantahan ko lang siya ng Ay, girl you just got ay.
Yay!
For me, hi Liz, can I get your number?
Yeah!
Yay!
Your 915-139.
Yay!
Simple lang. Pagkita ko ng ayos.
Yo!
Sana mo yes mo.
Boom!
for me, tatanungin ko siya, hi miss, kilala ba kita?
For me,
Yes.
about Rans, dadaanin ko siya sa tingin hanggang sa malaman niya na gusto ko siya. Yeah!
How about you, Oliver? Tititigan kita. And then deep bite.
Yay! Okay,
Last question, bro.
question number 6! Last question from Dan Gaston 16.
Thank you for the questions.
If meron kang isang kanta na i-dedicate para sa isang babae, ano yun?
Baby blue eyes.
Baby blue eyes, stay with me by my side.
Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas,
You'll always be my baby.
You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely.
For me, we're the perfect team.
Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry.
Babe, I love you.
I love you too.
Babe, I love you.
I'm yours.
I'm yours.
Alright. So,
Thank you guys.
thank you.
Quiet. Thank you for the questions. We are inviting you to go to our mall shows this coming October and November.
See you.
Boom! See you there.